Begin by settling into a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in through your nose and release it through your mouth. Allow your body to find its natural rhythm of breathing. Starting with your feet, bring your awareness to each toe, the balls of your feet, your arches, and your heels. Notice any sensations present without trying to change them. Let your awareness flow up to your ankles, moving into your lower legs, feeling the muscles of your calves, the bones of your shins. Continue up through your knees, becoming aware of your thighs, both the surface and the deeper muscles. Bring your attention to your hips, your lower back, and your lower abdomen. Feel the weight of your body supported by the surface beneath you. Moving up through your torso, become aware of your mid-back, your chest, and your upper abdomen. Notice your rib cage expanding and contracting with each breath. Bring your awareness to your shoulders, letting any tension melt away. Feel your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, and your wrists. Become aware of your hands, each finger and thumb. Notice the temperature of the air against your skin. Your arms now feel heavy and relaxed. Direct your attention to your neck, your throat, and up into your face. Become aware of your jaw, your cheeks, your nose, your forehead, and your scalp. Feel the space around and behind your eyes softening. Now that your body is fully relaxed and aware, imagine a soft, violet light surrounding your head, particularly concentrated around the right side of your brain. This healing violet light represents the awakening of your intuitive centers, your natural psychic abilities, and your creative potential. As this light grows stronger, it activates neural pathways associated with these inherent abilities. Visualize this right hemisphere of your brain as a sophisticated receiving station. It has always been capable of receiving information beyond your 5 physical senses, and now you're simply optimizing its natural capabilities. Like tuning a radio to receive clearer signals, you're fine-tuning your right brain to receive intuitive information more clearly. Now, visualize a blank canvas floating in front of your mind's eye. This is your personal space for symbolic communication. As you observe this canvas, notice how symbols begin to emerge naturally. They might be geometric shapes, abstract patterns, or images that hold personal meaning for you. Your subconscious mind already knows the meaning of these symbols. They are part of your inner language, waiting to be acknowledged by your conscious mind. Focus now on the space between your thoughts, the quiet realm where intuition speaks. In this space, notice how certain symbols feel more significant than others. These are your personal signposts, your unique vocabulary for communicating with your deeper self. Your subconscious mind has already created this symbolic language. You're simply becoming aware of it now. Now that your body is fully relaxed and aware, imagine a warm golden light beginning to illuminate the right hemisphere of your brain. This light represents the awakening of your intuitive centers, your natural psychic abilities, and your creative potential. The light grows stronger, activating neural pathways associated with these inherent abilities. Visualize this right hemisphere of your brain as a sophisticated receiving station. It has always been capable of receiving information beyond your 5 physical senses, and now you're simply optimizing its natural capabilities. Like tuning a radio to receive clearer signals, You're fine-tuning your right brain to receive intuitive information more clearly. As you focus on this receiving station, understand that you're not creating anything new. You're simply enhancing your brain's natural ability to receive and process subtle information. Your right brain already knows how to communicate through symbols, images, sensations, and impressions. You're simply becoming more consciously aware of this natural process. Imagine your right brain developing an increased sensitivity to all forms of information: visual, tactile, spatial, and intuitive. When information comes through, you'll notice not just emotional impressions, but also precise physical sensations, textures like smoothness or roughness, temperatures, densities, and spatial relationships. These sensations will come to you as objective data, free from emotional attachment. Picture yourself developing the capacity to observe information with complete emotional detachment, like a scientist looking through a microscope. You're developing the ability to receive and process information while maintaining a state of neutral observation. This is particularly important when dealing with challenging or difficult information. You remain an objective witness, gathering data without becoming emotionally involved. Your right brain is becoming increasingly adept at pattern recognition, seeing connections and relationships that might not be immediately apparent to others. This enhanced pattern recognition extends beyond visual information to include subtle energies, distant impressions, and non-local awareness. Now, imagine your right brain developing new neural pathways specifically designed for symbolic communication. These pathways act like clear channels through which your subconscious mind can send information to your conscious awareness. You're not creating the symbols. You're simply optimizing the pathways through which these symbols can travel. Your right brain is becoming more sensitive to subtle impressions about places, objects, and situations. When you choose to access this ability, you'll receive clear, objective information uncolored by emotion or personal interpretation. Like a high-definition camera, your right brain captures details with pristine clarity while maintaining emotional distance. Visualize your right brain's creative centers being enhanced, but in a focused, practical way. This creativity serves as a tool for problem solving and understanding, especially in areas where you can take meaningful action. Your enhanced creativity helps you recognize patterns, make connections, and discover solutions that were previously hidden from view. Your intuitive abilities are becoming sharper, more refined. When you choose to access these abilities, you receive clear, accurate impressions about situations, places, or objects. This information comes to you as neutral data, precise, detailed, and objective. As your psychic sensitivity increases, you maintain perfect emotional boundaries. You're able to receive information while remaining completely detached, like a skilled professional viewing events through a lens. This emotional neutrality ensures the accuracy and reliability of the information you receive. Your right brain is now optimized to receive and process information in multiple forms: symbols, sensations, impressions, and insights. These come to you with increasing clarity and precision, free from emotional distortion. You're becoming more adept at recognizing and interpreting this information while maintaining the perspective of an objective observer. Remember, these abilities are natural aspects of your right brain's capabilities. Through this practice, you're simply becoming more consciously aware of them and developing greater skill in their use. You're not creating these abilities, you're awakening what has always been present. Take a moment to integrate these optimizations. Feel the enhanced capabilities of your right brain, the sharpened intuition, the refined psychic sensitivity, and the focused creativity. Know that you can access these abilities while maintaining perfect emotional detachment and objectivity. Now, direct your attention to matters within your control, your daily choices, your responses, your creative projects. Allow symbols to emerge that represent the best use of your time and energy. These symbols are tools, bridges between your conscious intentions and your subconscious wisdom, helping you identify where to invest your precious resources for the greatest impact. Your subconscious mind can guide you toward optimal choices through these symbolic messages. These symbols may appear as shapes, colors, textures, or patterns that represent different aspects of your life's potential paths. Some might indicate opportunities for growth, while others might signal areas where conservation of energy is wise. Trust that your subconscious mind will provide clear, objective information about which paths deserve your attention and which ones you can release as you encounter decisions in your daily life. These symbols will become reliable indicators, helping you navigate choices with enhanced clarity and precision. Your right brain now serves as an efficient filter, using these symbolic messages to help you allocate your resources wisely and move confidently toward your highest potential. When you're ready to conclude this meditation, take a deep breath and bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the surface beneath you. Become aware of the space around you. Know that the enhancements you've made to your right brain's capabilities remain active and available whenever you choose to access them. Slowly begin to move your fingers and toes, gently reawakening your body. When you feel ready, open your eyes, knowing that your right brain is now optimized for receiving and processing intuitive information with clarity, precision, and objective detachment.